Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah. Today we are learning how to say the same thing in different ways to sound more fluent and natural in English. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. I am going to teach you how to say the same thing in different ways. In this video, we will cover 10 alternative ways to express common ideas in English. Number 1. I am sorry, I apologize, my apologize, pardon me, regret that. 2. I don't know, I have no idea, I am not sure, I have no clue, beats me. 3. I think, in my opinion, as far as I know, from my perspective, I believe that. 4. I am tired, I am exhausted, I am drained, I am worn out, I am beat. 5. That's good, that's fantastic, that's amazing, that's wonderful, that's awesome. 6. I am happy, I am delighted, I am thrilled, I am over the moon, I am on cloud 9. 7. Let's start, let's begin, let's get started, let's kick things off, let's dive in. 8. I am busy, I am swamped, I am a lot of on my plate, I am tied up, I am occupied. 9. Hurry up, move faster, let's speed up, chop chop, get a move on. 10. I agree, I am on the same page. You are absolutely right. That makes sense. I couldn't agree more. And that's it. Now you have 10 different ways to express yourself more fluent in English. Try use these phrases in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English lessons.